Hi, my name is Tiana Taylor.
And I'm Eric Foster.
And we are from Lyman Breeze College at Michigan State University as STEM scholars funded by the National Science Foundation. For today, we're going to show you an example of solubility and how temperature affects solubility using Kool-Aid through our example. So we're going to make Kool-Aid at room temperature and Kool-Aid at 95 degrees Celsius.
So right now we're going to do an experimental overview. Just like Tiana mentioned a couple moments ago, the solubility of water is dependent upon its temperature. Here we have our cool water and our hot water. Now our cool water will still be able to dissolve our sugar, but not as quickly or as much as our hot water. So we don't know how much sugar it will take until we get to a saturation point. Just in case you don't remember what that is, so generally a saturation point is the point at which our solvent, our water, can no longer dissolve. So that's part of the fun of the experiment, getting to that point. So let's take a look at the temperature effects of solubility and sugar.
So what you're going to see in this experiment is you have room temperature water and 95 degrees Celsius water. What we're going to do is first add 50 grams of sugar to both temperatures of water and allow that to completely dissolve. So in this process, you're going to see the water breaking down those sugar molecules or building blocks.
You can see the 95-degree water has a huge advantage.
Now what we're going to do is add our second portion of sugar.
Okay, so yeah, it's the fogginess that we talked about. If you try to see our hands through the glasses, you can clearly see Tiana's hand at the 95 degrees Celsius water better than you can see my hand at the room temperature water right here.
Finally, what we're going to do here is add our last portion of 30 grams of sugar to our water. So again here, you're able to see my hand in the 95 degrees Celsius water, whereas Eric's hand is a little harder to see through the water. Just for fun here, we're going to add a little bit more sugar to both of our temperatures of water. And as you can see, at 95 degrees Celsius, the sugar has completely dissolved right away. Whereas over at our room temperature water, it's a very cloudy mixture. Eric's hand is less visible through the glass, and you can still see where the sugar molecules are being stirred around, and the water is having a harder time breaking down those molecules. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add our Kool-Aid to our mixtures.
There we go. Oh wow, that's fun to watch.
Now we've made a lovely red mixture referred to as Tropical Punch Kool-Aid. I hope you have fun in your Kool-Aid mixture making, and next time you make some Kool-Aid, try to add a little hot water first, and it'll save you some time, some energy, and you'll have a better tasting Kool-Aid a lot faster.
So that wraps up our discussion about solubility, parts 1 and part 2. As you can see, temperature really does make a difference in solubility. That's something we showed you here today. We want you to carry this thought throughout your whole life and add to it. Science is way more than just homework or classwork. It's actually applicable, it's actually usable in real life. So this is Eric Foster.
And Tiana Taylor.
Alright, see you later.
Bye.